If you are looking for some full-time, part-time, commission-based, contractual, temporary, and most importantly internship related jobs, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about one world's renowned online job portal where thousands of jobs are posted every day, and it is the valid website, and it is one of the most professional websites that provide or that help you to find your dream job, and it is indeed.com. So let's see actually how to find and how to use indeed.com to get your dream job. Today I'm going to create my new account here in indeed.com. So I think this video will be helpful for you regarding creating account and finding your dream job. So let's see how to create account and find the job. Here you can see the interface of indeed.com. First of all, the thing you need to do is to just simply you need to create here new account. For creating account, you need to click here create account or sign in. Okay, when you click over there, then you need to use here sign in with Google. Just simply need to click over there. Okay, it is signed in. Okay, then you will find two options here. And it is the professional website, and then you must need to submit your resume to get your job. So to submit your resume, you find here upload your resume or build a new resume. If you have already prepared resume, then you just need to click here to upload your resume. But if you have not prepared your resume yet, then you need to click here build a new resume to create your online resume simply. Okay, now I'm showing you how to create online resume simply. Just click over there. Okay, here are 5 steps. Now we have completed our one of 5 steps. The first one is you need to give your first name, last name. You need to give your current city, and here you need to click here not specified. Then give your phone number, and if you'd like to show your phone number on your Indeed website, then just simply give here tick mark. Then click here next. Okay, now you need to select your level of education. Just simply click here, then you need to select anyone which matches with you. Just simply click here, and then you need to give your university name, your field of study, your city. Sorry, here you need to give your country, then city. Then you need to click here I currently go here. If you are currently a student or currently studying, then you need to give a tick mark here. But if you have completed, then you need to give your time when you studied and when you completed. Then you need to click here, select month, January. Then you need to click here your month. Okay, then click here save. Okay, then click here next. Okay, then here you need to give your job title. If you are currently doing any job, then you need to give your job title, or if you are looking for any job, you may write down the job title here. Then you need to write down company, it is optional. Then city, then if you are currently working here, give a tick mark here. Then you need to write down about your accomplishment. Then click here save, and then click next. Then from here you need to select your skills, whatever skills you have, you need to select from there. Then you need to write down your add new skill if you want. Then just simply click next. Okay, here you can see that if you would like to download, then you can download your current CV in the PDF format, and if you'd like to replace, you can click here to replace. If everything is okay, then you just simply need to click here save and continue. Okay, now we are the last and fifth stage. Here you need to give your desired job title. That means what type of job you are looking for. Just write down here. Okay, then here are 6 types of job. You need to select any one of them. And here is your desired work schedule. You need to select anything. And schedule, on call, overtime, shift, days, and salary. You need to write down. But I think you should not write here anything. You should leave it right this way. Okay, then simply click here. If you want, you can click here yes or no, and again here is salary. Just you can, if you want, you can write or skip. Just click here next. Okay, again you can find your option. If you'd like to continue with this resume, then you can click here continue. But if you think that you need to replace this resume by your new resume, just simply click here upload to replace resume. Okay, then here click save. Okay, as you don't have any company name, you don't need to write a save. Then click here continue. Okay, then you will get this interface. Now from here you need to find your job. I'm showing you how to find job. For example, you are looking for any job of digital marketing. Just simply write down here digital marketing. Okay, and here city, if you're looking or if you're targeting any specific city, you can write down here. Otherwise you need to write down here remote. Then click here find jobs. Okay, now here you can find a few options there. The first one is remote. As we just select our location as remote, that is why it is showing remote. Then here is the date posted. Here is last 24 hours, last 3 days, last 7 days, and last 14 days. Whatever days job you want, you can click here. If you'd like to get the job which is posted in last 24 hours, then you need to select here 24 hours. Okay, then here is salary. If you are looking for any specific salary, you just need to put your number. So I recommend you just don't need to select anything, you just need to leave it default. Then here is job type. If you are looking for full-time job, you need to select full-time. If you are looking for part-time job, you need to click a part-time. Here you can see there is 44 full-time jobs are available, 23 part-time jobs available, 11 contract job available, 10 internship, 2 temporary, and 1 commission jobs available. That means on the basis of category, you need to write down here and you'll find the number of jobs available here. And if you want, you can select anything, part-time, full-time, contract, anything you want. Then here is skill. So you need to select your skill, and here is the job is skill based. SEO, social media management, marketing automation, all of the things you need to write down. You need to select whatever you want. Then here is location. So I suggest you to don't need to change anything, just you need to leave it same. Then company, don't need to change anything. Has experience level. If you want, you can change your experience level, whether you are entry level, mid level, or senior level. You can select your experience level as far as matches with you. Okay, then here you can see the number of jobs which are posted today. Here you can see today, 1 day ago, today. That means these jobs are posted last 24 hours. Okay, so you need to go through the job description. If you find, you need to go through the name of the job. If you think you are interested in any specific job, just simply need to write down, just simply need to click over the name of the job. Okay, for example, I would like to, or I am interested in this job, just simply click over there. Okay, now when you click over any job, then you will get the option apply on company side. That means the company who posted this job, you will be able to apply here on their company side. Okay, here you can read down everything about this job title, summary, what is in it for you. In this job you will get what, and everything is clarified here for your convenience. So just simply need to click here apply on company side. Okay, if you scroll it down, then you'll be able to find option here apply now. So in this way you can find any job, and you can just need to click here to find your job. And so whatever job you need or whatever job you're looking for, you just need to simply write down here on base of your category or what matches with your education background. Then in this way you'll be able to find job and you'll be able to apply job here. So I think it will be easiest way for you to find your desired job.